So you lost your pin to your OnePlus Nord N200 5G, and this is how you factory or hard reset it so you can use your phone again. So you've entered your pin and somehow you've forgotten it, and now you need to reset it. So we need to power it off. We're going to power off by holding power and volume up, power off. Okay, I'm going to feel it vibrate, and now it's powered off. So now to bring up the rescue menu or the recovery menu, we're going to hold power and volume down. Okay, and this may take a few seconds. And I felt it vibrate, and then the OnePlus logo comes on. And now what's different about this hard reset is that we'll actually use the screen. A lot of other resets use the buttons. But here, choose your language. I speak English. And then we're on the recovery screen, and we want to wipe the data. It's going to give us a verification code, 2941. And now we want to format the data, and it's going to ask us to confirm all data will be lost. So we're going to hit format, and this takes just a few seconds. Depending on how much data you have, it might take a little longer. And the wipe is successful. So now it'll power back on, and that is how you hard reset, factory reset your OnePlus N200 5G in the event that you have lost your pin. Thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe.